science part 6. Sorry I'm doing too much of this and not anything else. But yeah, today we're gonna finish all these up. So we got some new ones again. Let me get my laptop out again. Gonna pause it here. Anyway, we got our first plant. This one is the wax begonia. It's bronze leaf white. There are different ones, but this is the one we're gonna be having this time. And if you are trying to study for your study of plants, I want you to try to test yourself in my videos and test yourself. Anyway, we're gonna remember, I'm gonna test all of you viewers, and you could guess from your house while you're watching. Each one will be 10 seconds to answer. So we're gonna review all the plants for this first video. So when we begin, we're gonna look them up and we're gonna tell you about the plant. So we're gonna look it up right now. The wax begonia. It's really not a wax begonia. It's original begonia. Sorry about that. It's a begonia. Let's see. This is a begonia, and the one I had like a few videos ago was a non-stop. The wax begonia or something else. I forgot what it was, but you could see in my previous videos that the wax begonia had a flower, like the red flower. And I'm going to read about it. Begonia, a genus of perennial flowering plants in the family Begoniae. The genus contains 1,795 different plant species. The begonias are native to moist, subtropical, and tropical climates. Really cool. These would be a good example of a tropic plant. Like example of Hawaii, Florida. But they're different climates. I'll talk about climates and geography. And geography could be part of this. It depends what part of geography you're talking about. It's the area or where the plants are on the ground, you know. It's like it's also math in it. There's math in this. So here's a tag. I'm going to test all of you with the first set of plants. Begonia. White leaves on bronze-leaved plants. Use in beds, borders, pots. How to grow. Plant in sun or part sun, 12-inch, 30 centimeter apart. Grow 6 to 12 inches, of course. 15 to 30 centimeters tall. So these get a little tall. So we're going to see how tall they are after this. So you haven't seen that part. But now we are going to do a different one. And that is called Verbena. It's a pink Verbena. Chose that one too. But first time we're going to look it up online. Verbena. Verbena. It sounds like a verbena. The verbena is like verbena fly trapper. It's something else. Never mind. But here it is. Vervine. They call it different on here, but Verbena is a genus in the family Verbena. It contains about 250 species of annual and perennial hibiscus or semi-woody flowering plants. The majority of the species are native to Americas and Asia. That means these are they are grown in America and in Asia, the continents. It means South America, Central America, and North America, South America, and then Central America. Also Asia, like where China, Japan, you know that area. That's where these are grown at. Like it's like their plants. The plant where they're grown at. And now I'm going to read you the tag, and I'm going to show it to you first. Alright. Large flowers on doable plants for gardens or containers. Attracts butterflies. Cool. How to grow. Plant in sun or part sun. 15 inches, 38 centimeters apart. Grow 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters tall. That's awesome. Yeah, these are going to get bigger, and it depends how tall and how good they do. If they don't do good, they're going to die. But I think they will. I'll plant them soon. Alright. Next we got Titan Attic. This is a vinca. A different vinca. There's two kinds of vincas. But my mom thought it was a different one. But they weren't as good. But look how pretty they are. You know, the leaves are... Make sure you look at which kind of leaves they are. Yeah, let's see. Vinca. It's an extra large, vibrant. Flowers are for gardens in containers. Tolerates hot, dry sites. Yeah, it tolerates the heat. So that means it could tolerate it. It could, like, you know, it doesn't, like, probably mind the heat, probably. Yeah, it's a full sun. Extra large. Oh, wait, no, I read that. How to grow. Plant in full sun. So full sun it's tolerant to full sun. It can handle the sun. And 10 to 12 inches, 25 to 30 centimeters apart. Grows to 14 to 16 inches, 36 to 41 centimeters tall. So these could get a little taller. But let's get out my ruler. Oops, something fell. Yeah, it happens a lot in this area. Alright. Oops, what am I doing? Close to 4. And these are supposed to get... Yeah. Alright. We're going to look it up online now. Let's look it up. Now we got, it's actually called Periwinkle. Vinca is a genus of flowering plants in the family Opaconi. Native to Europe, Northwest Africa, and Southwest Asia. The English name Periwinkle is shared with the related genus Catherinus. Scientific name Vinca, rank genus. So this is more in Southwest Asia. Let's see. It's closer to like it's like India or something. I'm guessing, but it's like India. And it's in Europe too. So, Northwest Africa, but it's not that far from, like, close to China. But that's a lot of places where these could be grown. And I'll tell you more about them, and I can answer your questions about them. Now, let's look at... Oops, I broke it. Yellow marigolds. They have no flowers yet, but I'll show you when they do. I heard they keep some animals away, like rodents, but they do stink a little bit. But I just like the color of them. Alright, let me look this up first. Actually, I really didn't find any facts about them. There isn't many. It just shows pictures, not really like talks about them, but as you can see, that's what they look like. And they are going to get really tall, but I'm going to put that in there. How tall? Tall marigolds grow anywhere from 15 inches to 4 feet tall, with blooms that can reach up to 5 inches across. So this is a tall one, it looks like. This tag is made, it's just written the name, but these are, I think they're pretty though. That's my opinion, but you might think they aren't. But that doesn't mean anything, but it just means you don't like the look or the smell of the plant or of what it's in. But since there's not much about that one, I got 3 tags in this one. Really weird, but I'll take these 2 out. Dianthus. Yes, Dianthus. This is what the flower looks like right there. Remember these leaves, but we'll test you at the end or a different video. So, look this up fast. I know we're getting close. I'm trying to hurry, but I should hurry. Dianthus. Pink. There's all kinds of colors, but let's read. Dianthus is a genus of about 300 species of flowering plants in the family. Sorry. These are different names. Native mainly to Europe and Asia, with a few species extending south to North Africa, and 1 species in Arctic North America. Dianthus is a scientific name. Genus. No, it's really genus. Super Parfait series. Let's read these. Dianthus. Beautiful, richly colored. Flowers are great for flower garden or container. How to grow. Plant in sun or part sun. 8 inches, 20 centimeters apart. Grows to 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters tall. So, these grow like a pot, or it's saying that a container or garden, like a garden with other plants or vegetables, but you might not want to do it with vegetables. I'm just saying. But doesn't mean you don't have to, or you can. It means you can or can't. And now we got one for this final one. Here it is. We're going to just do one for this video, and the next video is testing you with these plants and telling me what they are. I give 10 seconds for each plant. So, let's do this. Liberty Classic Mix Snapdragon. I'm going to search it right now, and I just researched it right now. So, the Snapdragon is a suite of system on a chip semiconductor products designed and marketed by Periwinkle. No, wait. Sorry, searched the wrong thing. Oh yeah. Anthopterum is a genus of plants commonly known as a dragon. Flowers are snapdragons because of the flowers' feminized resemblance to the face of a dragon that opens and closes its mouth when later squeezed. And it's a genus. Yeah. I'm going to show you fast because it's like almost 15 minutes. Dragon. Beautiful flowers attract hummingbirds. Excellent in gardens. Pots are cut. How to grow. Plant in sun or part sun, 12 inches, 30 centimeters apart. Grows 18 to 22 inches, 46 to 56 centimeters tall. And I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll continue the testing next video. Thank you guys. Bye.